Where's that? Why do you sit down like that?
It's uncomfortable on my neck.
Hi, good morning everybody. So I did promise that I will vlog behind the scenes of the week before Jesse's show, and that's what I'm doing. Aisha and I are actually heading to Port of Spain. She actually went to do her set up her stuff for her driving test today, so she just came back to meet me, and then I'm gonna load on this because I don't want to get copyright in the background. Yeah, and then we are going to go to yeah, my double chin. Then we are going.
Nobody will see it.
Then we are going to go and drop off some leotards to get our logo printed on it, and also some other orders as well. And I have a bill to pay. And then we come back home. We actually have to go to South today to try on costumes for Saturday, and then come back up here. Yes, we have to go to South. So yeah, Naisha.
I'm hungry.
Okay, we'll see you guys in the next clip then. Okay, hi everyone. I'm currently in my washroom right now. If you hear motor, it's because Naisha and I made it back home. We drop off the stuff to print. So we're not able to pay the bill because the line is like ridiculously long. I'm gonna pull up this. Yeah, the line is like ridiculously long. So reach home, go in and wash. Yeah, I reach home, I'm going to wash now, and
See how fun. See some
Weird.
weird shit.
where you get all this clothes from?
This was from class yesterday, and this is what I know where. And I have some beautiful in my bag.
All I have to deal with this all the time. Yeah. This one still have a belt in it, and the pants that you just take off, please put it in the bin. I will give you the next pants. I said what I said. They are seeing this. I said what I said. Throw it in the bin. Give me the stuff. Yeah. So I'm going to put all of these clothes to wash because we have a real big basket. I still have some clothes inside. Bring my basket inside my room now. Have a little bit of clothes inside there too. Throw away the pants. Throw it away. If I see that pants, I'm going to cut it with the scissors.
It will be a
Throw
different
it away.
size.
No, it's not. So yeah. Ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. Oh, so this is the two upper pants that I was going to print to show you guys, and I just never came back and show you guys the pants. So this is what they look like. And of course there are many different colors that you can choose from. A lot of different colors. So yes. So this is what they look like. This is the black that I've printed for people so far. Black, yellow, white, maroon, different colors. So yeah. This is the yellow. This is what the yellow looks like. So yeah. This is the yellow. This is the burgundy or maroon, whichever one. You can choose your color print on it, but for these colors I would suggest black or white to pop. So yeah. Hello. Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Now you guys haven't seen me vlog in some time. We actually started a vlog for the week of College Boy Jesse's show, and then we ended up getting locked down. So I still have snippets of that, but yeah, I have this weird button that I saw this morning, but it is what it is. Hi, good morning. How are you guys? Are you all okay? Is everyone all right? How are you feeling? How are you doing? Today is Wednesday. The date will show. I am actually starting a new job today. I had my interview on Monday and I'm out today to start. My boss is a bit late, so I'm just sitting in the car waiting. I wanted to record myself getting ready and stuff, but I thought I was running late. But I guess I wasn't. I was actually here 10 minutes before I was supposed to be here. I tried to, get there a bit early. Yeah, if you guys see a content video with me wearing this, I have 2 videos that I was supposed to film for you guys since Monday, but I also started my first ever kids dance camp on Monday, and it's been going well. You can still sign up if you have a child and they're interested. It's only $50 TT to take it, and it's a new class every single day, a new start. So they're doing folk, contemporary, modern, Latin, all of those things. So yeah, and I will see you guys in the next clip. When I tell you guys, I am absolutely horrible at vlogging, and when I said I'm starting back, please ignore my double chin. I'm exercising, so hopefully I'll be back to skinny soon. But anyway, I started vlogging yesterday, and I was supposed to vlog when I got home, but as I said, I have a kids camp going on, so I'm trying to after signing the kids and make sure they're good. Also, one of the kids is at home with me, so I had to basically take the class with her so that she isn't lost or confused or anything. She's a junior, and I was just totally caught up doing that. And I said I'm gonna try to tape myself cooking and stuff more often. And I don't know what is going on with my vlogging, right? Come on, go. Come. I hear some people drive and they see you giving them a chance and they're just doing their own shit. Anyway, so because I now work literally 5 minutes away from my boyfriend's office, today and yesterday after work, because I have to leave early to start the camp, he's like, come see me. I want you to come check me before you head home. So rain is falling. If I had known he was falling, I probably would not have come. He also went to take his vaccine today. I did not know that. He told me this yesterday, and I did not listen. But am I allowed to say that? I don't even know. Vaccination. I am going to take my vaccination tomorrow. I made my appointment, okay? I made my appointment to go take my vaccine tomorrow, so I have to reach there super duper early. And my boss told me, okay, well, whenever you finish, just come in. And I was like, okay, perfect. Oh, here he is. I'm literally beyond exhausted at this point. The senior class is going on. Blossom is teaching today. I'll give you guys a short little view of what it is they're doing. I just feeling real tired, and I have to teach tomorrow. I'm tired. Okay, we're back to this camera again. Sorry, the guy next door is power washing. I'm sorry. Anyway, I was supposed to take this morning, but I was just so much things was happening this morning. I went this morning to go and get my vaccine. Sinopharm. Got up 6:30, left the house about 7:15, picked up Corey's and his sister. Then we went to the Savannah. We got there at 7:45. We did not leave there until I would say 10 to 10. You hear that correct? That was like 2 hours that we spent there. I honestly didn't find that it was bad at all. We got there, the line was like F'ing in the Savannah. The line was moving very quickly. When we got through the door, we were in line for like 45 minutes. I didn't even feel like 45 minutes because, as I said, I went with people that I knew, so we were talking and laughing in the line. Then we went through the door. They took our names, what industry we in, fill out a form. After we filled out the form, they asked, because there's certain parts of the form that's for official use only. Somebody asked, he tickets off. Then they sent us upstairs when we were waiting by a tent downstairs. Then they sent us upstairs. When we went upstairs, they put us seated, social distancing observed, put us seated upstairs, and they were calling us in the room as they finish vaccinate one person. They tell them what they have to do, and they go to the observation bay or whatever it is. Went in my vaccine. I didn't even feel needle going. I just know it was going in because I saw her pick it up. It was very short. She was very nice. She was talking to me, asking me questions, being very, very polite. Got my vaccine, left, went to the observation bay, sat down there for 15 minutes. They watched us to see if there was any allergic reaction, gave us back our cards, and told us exactly when to come back for our second dose. So all in all, I felt the process was very well done. I have no complaints. Everything was moving. And if you need to get vaccinated and you fall within the arts and food industry, go to the Savannah. The line might deter you, but line up. You will get through quickly. Trust me, it was well done. They gave us a date for the second dose, and just well done. Well done. Today is Friday. I'm teaching contemporary to my kids in the dance intensive. So we're gonna do some contemporary today. Voila. Today is Sunday. It's in the afternoon. We get up early. Our kids have art this morning. It's going well. So while they do that, we actually prepare. So the first class already done. The second class is in session. We're getting sun today. I ate chicken. Nice. So yeah, I have some fruits I decided to make. I want to pull out. Probably by the time I finish rolling this, the second one of course will be in the dryer, and then I will put what's called that towel myself to wash. I'll do a time lapse of me cleaning up. So yeah, I try to think if I remember anything else. No, so I'll see you guys in the next one.